We live in a world obsessed with speed and efficiency. We want it all, and we want it now. Especially in the kitchen. Who has time for chopping, dicing, and mincing all day long? That's where the beauty of a high-powered blender comes in. Forget slaving over prep work. A good blender is your ticket to culinary freedom. Think about it. Silky, smooth smoothies in seconds, creamy hummus without the fuss, even hot soups from scratch, all at the push of a button. The possibilities are endless. And let's be real, who doesn't love the satisfying whir of a blender pulverizing ingredients into pure deliciousness? But here's the catch. Not all blenders are created equal. Some sputter and stall, leaving chunks of ice and fruit in their wake. Others are clunky and complicated to use. That's why finding a blender that can truly keep up with your culinary adventures is key. You need a machine that's powerful, reliable, and versatile enough to handle anything you throw its way. Enter the Ninja BL610 Professional Blender, a true powerhouse in the world of kitchen appliances. This sleek, mean blending machine is here to revolutionize your cooking game. Forget everything you thought you knew about blenders, because the Ninja BL610 is in a league of its own. First off, let's talk power. This baby boasts a 1000-watt motor, which means it can crush ice into snow and pulverize fruits and veggies with ease. Say goodbye to chunky smoothies and hello to perfectly blended concoctions every time. And the best part, it does it all without sounding like a jet engine taking off in your kitchen. But it's not just about power, folks. The Ninja BL610 is also incredibly user-friendly. Its sleek design and intuitive controls make it a breeze to operate, even for the most kitchen-phobic among us. Plus, with its large capacity pitcher, you can whip up batches for the whole family in one go. No more standing over the blender for hours on end. Now let's get down to the nitty-gritty. How does the Ninja BL610 actually perform? In a word, flawlessly. This blender truly lives up to its professional name, delivering exceptional results with every use. Remember that 1000-watt motor we talked about? It's not just for show. This blender powers through even the toughest ingredients like frozen fruits, leafy greens and nuts with remarkable speed and efficiency. And thanks to its total crushing technology, it pulverizes ice into a fine powder in seconds, making it perfect for frozen cocktails, smoothies and icy treats. But it's not just about raw power. The Ninja BL610 also offers impressive precision. Whether you're aiming for a chunky salsa or a velvety smooth soup, this blender delivers consistent results every time. Its multiple speed settings and pulse function give you ultimate control over the texture of your creations, allowing you to achieve your desired consistency with ease. Let's talk versatility, people. One of the things that sets the Ninja BL610 apart from the competition is its incredible range. This isn't just a one-trick pony, it's a multi-talented kitchen workhorse that can handle everything from smoothies and shakes to salsas, soups, and even nut butters. Need a quick and healthy breakfast? The Ninja BL610 whips up a mean green smoothie, packing in all your daily fruits and veggies into one delicious and convenient drink. Craving a comforting bowl of soup on a chilly evening? This blender has got you covered, transforming raw vegetables into steaming hot soup in minutes. And let's not forget about party snacks. The Ninja BL610 makes quick work of homemade salsa, guacamole, and even creamy hummus. Your guests will be begging for your secret recipe. Little do they know, it's all thanks to your trusty blender. So, after putting the Ninja BL610 through its paces, what's the final verdict? This blender is a game changer, plain and simple. It's powerful, versatile, and ridiculously easy to use, making it an indispensable tool for any modern kitchen. Whether you're a seasoned chef or a kitchen novice, the Ninja BL610 will quickly become your go-to appliance for everything from smoothies and shakes to soups, sauces, and dips. It's the kind of kitchen investment that will save you time, effort, and even money in the long run. Bye-bye, expensive pre-made smoothies. Trust me, folks, this blender is worth every penny. It's time to ditch your old sputtering blender and upgrade to the Ninja BL610. Your taste buds and your sanity will thank you.